Welcome back to the channel, and today we are doing a full, detailed motorhome review covering everything you need to know, from the exterior styling to interior comfort, performance, and real-world usability. If you're looking for a luxury diesel Class A motorhome that balances power, comfort, and smart design, this one definitely deserves your attention. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth motorhome and vehicle reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Tiffin Allegro RED 33A looks bold and premium from every angle. The aerodynamic fiberglass body is solid and well-finished, with high-quality paintwork and clean graphics that reflect Tiffin's reputation. The body structure feels strong and durable, designed for long highway journeys and extended stays. The wheels and tires are heavy-duty, built to handle the weight and size of the coach while maintaining stability at higher speeds. The headlights and taillights are modern LED units, offering excellent visibility at night and a sharp, upscale appearance. Large side mirrors provide a wide field of view, reducing blind spots and making lane changes safer in this big rig. Moving inside, the interior of the Allegro RED 33A feels spacious, warm, and thoughtfully designed. As you step in, LED interior lighting immediately creates a bright and welcoming atmosphere. The living area is open and comfortable, with premium materials used throughout. One of the highlights is the sleeping arrangement. The motorhome features a well-designed bed area with a comfortable mattress, and depending on the layout, you also get a foldable or convertible sleeping space that can accommodate guests without compromising walking space during the day. The kitchen is compact but extremely functional. You get a built-in stove that's perfect for cooking full meals on the road, paired with a sink that has good counter space around it. The mini refrigerator is surprisingly spacious, capable of holding groceries for several days of travel. Everything is positioned smartly, so even in a compact space, cooking feels easy and practical. Storage cabinets and drawers are placed above and below, giving you plenty of room for utensils, cookware, and supplies. Next to the kitchen is the dining area, featuring a dining table with comfortable seating. This space works great not only for meals but also for working, relaxing, or planning your next destination. The seats are well cushioned and designed for long sitting sessions without discomfort. The bathroom is another strong point of this motorhome. It includes a clean and modern toilet, a separate shower area, and enough room to move comfortably. Ventilation is well managed, keeping the space fresh and dry. Curtains or window blinds throughout the motorhome provide privacy and help control sunlight, especially during hot days. Comfort continues with the climate control system. The air conditioner and ventilation system are powerful enough to cool the entire cabin evenly, making summer travel much more enjoyable. Power sockets are available throughout the interior, supported by a reliable battery system that allows you to run essential appliances even when you're off-grid. Now let's talk about the driver's area. The steering wheel feels solid and responsive, and the seats are wide, supportive, and designed for long-distance driving. The dashboard is clean and easy to read, with a clear speedometer and fuel gauge positioned directly in the driver's line of sight. The pedals, including accelerator and brake, are well spaced for smooth control. A modern rear-view camera system makes reversing and parking much safer, especially considering the size of this motorhome. Under the hood, the Allegro RED 33A is powered by a strong diesel engine that delivers smooth and confident performance. Acceleration is steady, and the motorhome handles highways with ease. The braking system is powerful and reliable, giving you confidence even when fully loaded. Overall performance is impressive for a vehicle of this size, offering a smooth ride with minimal noise and vibration inside the cabin. In terms of common uses, this motorhome is perfect for long road trips, full-time RV living, family vacations, and luxury camping. It's also ideal for retirees or travelers who want comfort without sacrificing mobility. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Tiffin Allegro RED 33A sits in the premium segment. Prices can vary depending on options and region, but you can expect it to be a high-end investment that delivers strong value through build quality, comfort, and long-term reliability. To wrap it up, the 2026 Tiffin Allegro RED 33AA is a well-rounded luxury motorhome that excels in design, comfort, performance, and practicality. If you're serious about motorhome travel and want a dependable, stylish, and comfortable home on wheels, this one is absolutely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next review.